Hey guys, my name is Jennifer and I am Genevieve Designs. Today is the giveaway drawing day. Giveaway drawing day. Today is the day. Also, I'm going to have a special coupon code just because, so that'll be later on in the video. But I just decided that I wanted to give you guys a coupon code for sticking with me, for giving me, I feel a ton better, by the way. You can probably tell by my voice. I feel 100%, not 100%, I don't feel 100%. I feel maybe 85 to 90% better. I still, it could just be allergies, the remnants, but I still feel a little, you know, so here and there. But good news, I feel better. Also good news, I've started on something new. And I really am not going to say a lot about it, but I've decided I was going to, actually had 2 more add-ons that I was wanting to do for the Basically Amazing, but I have decided to not do those right now. So this will be a completely brand new thing, and I've already started on it and I'm pretty excited about it. Okay, what else was, so there's going to be a coupon code, something new, giveaway drawing. So the giveaway was you had to be a subscriber to my channel. How you enter is you had to leave a comment for this playlist, for This Is the Last Album That We Made. And if you want to watch me make this step-by-step beginning to end, I will link that whole playlist right there in the cards, and I'll put it in the description box. But you had to go to each video, starting with the prep video, and leave a comment below those videos. That's how I'm going to choose the winners from the random YouTube comment picker. Sounds like I'm saying something weird. But anyway, so this is first prize, this is second prize. So they are my stamp set, my Photo Mats Essentials, and the first prize winner gets the paper punch, the Crocodile Corner Chomper punch. And then the second place winner gets the Photo Mats Essentials and the stamp set. Sorry, I just lost my train of thought there really fast. If you want to check out my stamp set, I will have it linked down below. Hopefully it'll be back in stock soon. But anyway, if you already have these things, if you're one of the winners and you already have these things, then I can do like a gift card, not gift card, I can give you a percentage off, or I can give you a set dollar amount to my Etsy shop. If you live in a country that it's extremely expensive to ship to, then we will have to work something else out as well for that. I won't let you pay for shipping, so that's completely out of the question. So I'm just throwing that out there that is not going to happen. But I can give you, again, a percentage off of my Etsy shop, or a dollar amount off my Etsy shop. So in the event of that happening, and I still have these in my possession, I will redraw again. So it is just that simple. So, but I will have to, once the random YouTube comment picker picks a comment, I'll have to make sure that you're subscribed to my channel, and then there'll be a email. Are you crooked? I feel like you might be crooked. There will be an email down in the description box that you need to contact me by February 7th, 2022. You will need to contact me via that email, and no other communications through that email, please. I will not answer. But you need to contact me to claim your winnings through that email. So you have until February 7th to do that. That might be it. That might be all. So I have already picked. I had a list of videos that and I've got them right here, that I was looking at. So I was going to have my son randomly pick one of the videos, because there's 18 videos. But he's back in school, so he's doing much better. He's feeling much better. He's back at the dorm, even though the dorm's not that far away. It's only half an hour, if that, 20 minutes, 25, I don't know. It doesn't matter. Anyway, so I just decided I would either go with the lowest amount of views, or the most views, or the least amount of comments, or the highest amount of comments. So I decided to go with the most views and the highest amount of comments. So for the stamp set and the Photo Mats Essentials, I've picked video number 1. It has the highest amount of comments. So I've already grabbed the comments. I've already put the the video URL in here and it grabbed the comments, and all I have to do is press start, and then we'll see who the winner is. All right, let's see. Boop. Well, that's unfortunate. That first person was not a subscriber to my YouTube channel. So I need to pick another winner. So I'm gonna hold this card over top of the name until I hit pick another winner, and then I'm gonna hit, is the name still there? Oh, sorry, I didn't know if the name was still there. So that's who the next winner hopefully will be. So let me go see if you are a subscriber. Okay, so Christina's Creations, Christina Demers. I'm not good at pronouncing things, so if I pronounce your name wrong, I do apologize. But this is the first winner. You receive the stamp set and the Photomats Essentials from me. If you could contact me via that special email down in the description box, and then we'll take the next steps. So congratulations to Christina. Now I need to get the URL to the other video. So I'm going to pick the most views, which is video number 11. Let's see here. And that is the Shaker Journal covers. So let's see, I'm going to copy the link. Then I'm going to go back to here and we're going to remove that URL, paste the new one, then get YouTube comments, then I'm going to hit start. Darlene! Oh, Darlene! Yay! Congratulations, Darlene. I'm not going to try to say your last name. She's the creator of the Right Angle Limited Edition. Look at there. I'm going to double check to make sure you're a subscriber, but I'm pretty sure you are. So, hang tight. Okay, well, congratulations, Darlene. You are a subscriber to my YouTube channel. Contact me via that special email down below. And if you don't already have these things, then I will get them to you. If you do, we will work something else out. So congratulations to both winners. I'm super excited for you guys. So the last thing I wanted to talk about is the coupon code. Also, you guys, I will link her right angle tools down below. They're amazing. I love them. I use them all the time. And I'll have the stamp set linked down below. I'll have the Photomats Essentials linked down below. And I will also have the corner chomper linked down below. Why not? Just in case you're interested. I keep mine right here at the ready in my corner chomper stand. My corner chomper stand, right? So I've got those sitting right there. If you want to see how we made that corner chomper stand, I'll link that up there and down below as well. Okay. So let's talk coupon code. I decided, just because, I don't know, I just felt like you guys are amazing and you really stuck with me through this go around, and I thought, you know what, let's do a coupon code. So it is for 50% off everything in my Etsy shop, and it's 50% off your entire purchase, but you have to purchase a minimum of 2 items. And it doesn't matter what items, you just have to purchase a minimum of 2 to get 50% off. So the coupon code is SAVE50. No space, all caps. That's the coupon code. So this is valid from the time this video goes public until February 7th, 2022. And there is a place to put this coupon code. So if something wonky happens after you've made your purchase, just contact me through your purchase, and all qualifying purchases, I will refund your 50% off. And you can use it as many times as you want throughout this week, but please do me a huge favor. Make sure that you are logged into your Etsy account, okay? if you're not logged into your Etsy account and you go in as a guest, it just complicates things like crazy. So make sure you're not going to buy now. You want to actually make sure you're logged into your Etsy account before you make your purchase. So again, it's good for 50% off your entire purchase, and you have to buy a minimum of 2 items in order to qualify for the 50% off. And then where there's a space to put the coupon code, you want to put save 50, okay? I'll have all this information down below. So yeah, all right, that's all I have for you guys. So I guess I will see you next time. Bye.